universal dance in Tonga is the Taualuga, originating from the Samoan Taualuga. Typically a solo performance, the Taualuga features the hands, the feet, the face, and head of the performer. The sudden head movement to the rhythm of the music is known as whakateki. It is considered one of the most alluring aspects of Tongan dance. The most frequently performed large group dance in Tonga is the ma'ulu'ulu of Samoan origin. Seated on the ground, men and women intermingling, the performers are accompanied by drums. The dance movements are accomplished by the upper body. Perhaps the most famous ma'ulu'ulu outside Tongatapu is the group from Uiha Ha'apai. Yet Uiha's performance is a ma'ulu'ulu with a difference. Composed by the late Penny Tutu'ila, this composition features women seated in front and the men performing standing up along the back. Not to be bound by convention, the composer combines elements of many different Tongan dances, the kailao, the ma'ulu'ulu, and the lakalaka. Not to mention the energetic drumming.